So children, we are into a very very important aspect of electricity. You know, electricity does not come for free. How do we calculate our meter bill, electricity bill? All those things are the questions in our mind while studying the electricity. Also children, remember, this chapter is also important because if I teach you electricity and you fail to put off all the unnecessary lights, equipments at your home, then I fail to teach you electricity, because this chapter will tell you how valuable is every second in electricity or every hour in electricity consumption. So we know, first you know that electrical work done, we call rate of electrical work done, rate of electrical work done is called electrical power. This is very simple. I've just added the term electrical over there. We know that rate of work done is what? Power. So power is what? Electrical power. So I put it P is equal to electrical work done by time. So electrical work done will be equal to power into time. And whatever the work electricity does, you consume electrical energy, same amount of electrical energy. So we can say that electrical energy consumed is equal to power into time. And you also know what is the unit of power. The unit of power will be what here? Work done by time, that is joules per second, or that is also called watt. Now see, electricity, like we don't measure commercially electricity as normally what we call power is, the unit of power is what, and the unit of time is second. So electrical energy consumed, it has got a unit watt second, but you know, or joules, joule is equal to watt second. However, you know, when we are calculating electricity bill, we take the time as hour and we take the wattage or power as kilowatt. One commercial unit of electricity is equal to kilowatt into hour. That is what is electrical energy consumed, that is commercial unit of electricity, 1 kilowatt hour. Now what do I mean with this? You should try to understand. Suppose I have got an electrical bulb whose power rating is 100 watt and it runs for 10 hours. So how much electrical energy is consumed? That is power into time, that is 100 into 10, so 1000 watt hour. That is also called as 1 kilowatt hour, or which is called as 1 commercial unit of electricity. So that's very simple. When you have to understand how much electricity is being consumed by a particular device, you just have to take a look at its power rating and multiply the time for which it is being run, and you will be able to get your electricity bill. Let us do one sum. But before the sum, you should know this: 1 commercial unit of energy is 1000 watt hour or 1 kilowatt hour. So I give you a question. My house has 4 tube lights of 100 watt each, running for 10 hours a day. An AC of 1.5 kilowatt hour running for 5 hours a day. Find the electrical energy consumed for September. Now this is the question. It's very simple. In one question you will be able to understand everything. So let us have a look. You know, for tube light, how much electricity I consume per day? Let us see. Electricity consumed per tube light. 4 tube lights, each is of 100 watt. So the power consumption for all 4 will be 400 watt, and the time 10 hours a day. So in one day it will be consuming 4000 watt hour. Now we know that 1000 watt hour is 1 kilowatt hour, and that means one's commercial unit is 1000 watt hour. So 4000 watt hour means 4 units of electricity. You have to divide by 1000 if it is in watt hour. If it is not, it is in kilowatt hour, you don't have to divide. Now we have the AC. One AC is there, AC. So it is 1.5 kilowatt hour for 5. So this much kilowatt hour. So this will be 7.5 kilowatt hour. So it's already in units, 7.5 units. So this is per day. So my final consumption per day is how much? So it will be consumption per day. Daily consumption is 4 plus 7, 11.5 per day. Now consumption in September. So September has 30 days. So 11.5 into 30. This point goes down. So now how much is this? 345 units, and that is what will be my electricity bill. So this is how we calculate the electricity bill. Thank you.